Hello everyone, I welcome to all of you in today's video. Today I'm going to talk about Crest Whitening Emulsions product, and in this video I will tell you whether this product is legit or a scam. Friends, this product does not belong to us, and if you have never ordered it before, then in this unbiased review you will get to know whether you should buy this product or not. Also, if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till end, as I will share a way to get your money back at the end of this video. So, the Crest Whitening Emulsion is a popular tooth whitening brand that claims to provide you with amazing teeth whitening experience. It offers multiple benefits at a reasonable price and can be used anywhere and anytime. It comes with a built-in applicator that helps to apply easily and get teeth whitening instantly. Thus, it can be also used as a part of your grooming routine. The Crest Whitening Emulsions White Strips adopts the exact ingredient, hydrogen peroxide, used by the dentist to maintain enamel safety while whitening your teeth. You can make payment for this product using multiple payment options given here. Now, talking about its positive things, we came to know that it is a well-known product. The Crest Whitening Emulsions exhibit good customer ratings. This product is backed by good customer support. It is easy to use and manage. It is handy and can be carried anywhere, and it can be used anytime by you. This product is also active on various social media platforms. You will also see multiple discount codes that are available for buying the Crest Whitening Emulsion. This product offers quick teeth whitening, and it also provides a satisfaction guarantee. So this was about the positive reviews. However, coming to the negative reviews, we came to know that this product is available only in the United States. Now guys, before talking about it further, I would like to request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel, as this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now let us talk about those important points on which we can judge this product to be a legit one or scam one. So we came to know that the website delivering this product was registered on 2nd September 2010. Also, coming to the social media presence, we found it to be active on various social media platforms, which is a good sign. Talking about its customer reviews, we saw many good customer reviews for it, and that was again impressive here. So guys, giving a final verdict, I would declare this product to be a legit one, and you can go on with your purchase of Crest Whitening Emulsions. I hope this video was somewhat useful for you. We found this product legit based on its good customer reviews and good social media presence. So guys, if you want to get your money back wasted on scam products, then you can check the link given in the description area. Also, do share your thoughts about today's video in the comment box below. Guys, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe it today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you for watching this video and have a beautiful day.